Heyo! Welcome in or welcome back. We are here with Campfire Cooking in another world with my absurd skill, episode 5. I believe we're going to be meeting the goddess of wind in this episode. I'm excited. I think Gluttonous Fenrir is excited because that's the person they got their their wind powers from. Yeah, I'm choking it out. Oh, choking it out. Oh my gosh. No, I mean I'm like choking up. I'm not. Okay, we're just gonna go ahead and hop on it. So she that is like a pet? And with a human like that, what does that mean? What does that mean? Oh my good. Episode 5, the goddess of wind has a sweet tooth. No, she's gonna love Mukoda. Mukoda. How do you I'm still not well versed in his name. I'm sure you could buy one. Are you just gonna stab your head in? Oh! You're gonna electrocute them. Yeah. Oh my gosh. He's really gonna have to go wading through all that water. Near dead? That's really unfortunate. I was gonna say, is that safe for him since you did, like, electrocute him? Like rainbow trout or something? Never had it, but holy. Oh. Yeah. I wouldn't be touching it. Yep, poison lake fish. That one might be dead now. But what if you weren't blessed? I love the relationship. Look at the smallest and then just a huge one. Taking up 3 rows. Aww. He's learning to use his powers a bit more controlled. Not so explosive. The fish is your substitute for me, okay? Oof. I could not do that. He's just smelling it. Oh my goodness. Oh, I thought you broke the knife. Oh my gosh. For sure. Okay. And some aluminum foil, okay. Sake, okay. And then that's gonna burn out. Fenrir's being quite patient. I like it. Okay. You Chef Makuta over here. Hopefully it tastes good. It's just a mess of ingredients for the aluminum foil. No, no, no. I was like, no, Fenrir. I thought it was bad for a second. Oh my. In one go. After all the work that Makuta did. I don't know if Fenrir should have any of that. But you know Fenrir is gonna want some. I don't think I've seen him share drinks with Fenrir. I think when I was a kid, I tried some salmon or something, and I was not into it. But I feel like now I would be more into it. I'm not as picky. That took a while to do. Did you cook up all the fish? Unwrap them. He's about to go electrocute all of them. Yes. He's drunk. Slime buddy. His tiny eyes. Oh, I'm a sucker. I'm a sucker for it. Just like it would suck me up. Like it was sucking rocks up and stuff. I'm pretty sure I cut it for YouTube people, but that little slime just slurping rocks at the end of the last episode. Don't stick your finger into it or anything. Don't eat that. Oh, its age is 3 days. It was just born out of nowhere. So cute. What's the word for it? Usukushi? No, I think that's beautiful in Japanese. When I'm watching anime, I like practicing. Are you acid? Are you an acid slime? You can be my garbage can. No, 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 no! Oh my gosh. Well, that one's gone. I mean, it is 3 days. It understood praise. I'd be scared that it may just start sucking my arm. Oh. Oh. What? Wait, you can have more than one. Ah. Very cute. So it won't accidentally slime you out. Age 20. Oh, okay. No. That's his age. I was like, how did that slime just age like that? What would you name the slime? Go. Sui. I would name it Botan. Like the tiny boar from Clannad. Fenrir. Oh? And what is that? Is that Earth? No, it's probably gonna really take it out of him. No, 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 no. I don't think so. That was traumatic. Yeah, earth magic. That looks like dirty pond water. You fit in there? So cute. Wait until he's done with the water. 3 days ago. Oh, so it's 6 days now. Huh. So the containers the stuff is in too. It's way better than like how he left all those cardboard boxes in the middle of the ruins. Of course. Oh, the family is getting bigger. Oh, you made a tiny bowl. I mean, Suri is definitely eating the bowl as well. Oh, good job. As if Sui can hear me. I got really into it. Baby Sui. He's gotten used to it, for sure. I remember he used to be scared. Alrighty. Sui made sure not to eat the... Aw, and Sui's asking for seconds. Awesome. Sui didn't eat the inside. I love that. That's what I was saying. I noticed. I... That's also kind of sad, though. Makura never seems to have said anything about missing anyone from over there. Like, did he have no family or anything? He hasn't tried to get back there without absorbing any, like, acidizing them? I'm just... Good job. And by the power of love, Sui evolves. Aww. Dorayaki. Whoa. They look like pancakes. Like super, super fluffy mini pancakes. The goddess is just looking over them like, I want it so bad. Isn't red bean paste like super popular over in Japan? Oh my goodness. Sui is learning. I think when Sui shakes, then as Sui like, oh my gosh, was that the bed you made for Fenrir? Is the goddess talking to you? Oh. All those sweets. I was like, talking to the goddess? She'll bless him in return for just Preparing some sweets for her. Fair enough. Okay. That's fair. I mean, he's not of this world. Oh. It would be nice to be, you know, immune to that. Or else the blessing expires. But where would you send them? Yeah, where's the altar? Including your belly. What? And then you just leave the food there? May I receive your blessings, fine shite? Here is your offerings for the week. Mm. And now he has earth, fire, and wind magic. Just need a little water to get it all done. And you are the chosen avatar. She's been watching her little pet Fenrir this whole time, just jealous. I'm happy for you, Ninrir. On your knees. This is insane work. It's that good. Take your time. Oh, she's gonna have hiccups for sure. She might want offerings every day. Coffee. Take your time. And you are a gluttonous goddess. Next week for sure. Oh, made a dent in it. Okay. Combining the wind and earth magic? Whoa! You got this, Makuta. That tree is taking a beating. That's fair. Chocolate? Chocolate. Excuse me. That's not how you do it. You're supposed to break off the little squares. Ah, if my husband did that, I'd be like, "What are you doing? There's squares for a reason. You break them off." Of course. Oh man. I love how he sulks. He wants what he wants. Oh my goodness. Thank goodness you're a legendary beast. Your teeth would fall out. Oh, please provide me more sweets. Yeah. Ate them. Gobbled up in the first few minutes. You need to send her as much as you give to Fenrir. For sure. He was able to actually see her. On to the next adventure. You know where some good creatures are, don't you? Good creatures for eating. All right, time for practice. He's about to get beat up. The goddess Nineveh. Craving more. Oh my gosh, really? How many other gods are watching? Control thyself. That is the end of episode 5. I don't really have too much to say. It was all about sweets and receiving the blessing of Ninrir, goddess of wind and gluttony, specifically sweet gluttony. It was. It felt like this would be considered a filler episode if this anime had any. Yeah. Did it feel like that to anyone else? I don't know. Definitely, I can see why her and Fenrir are connected, and their names are so alike. That's just like the animal, the beast virgin. For real, we're doing this beast version of herself. Goodness, we got to meet the slime. Oh, and the slime is so intelligent. It was able to learn, hey, certain things are not to eat. It's able to understand. It formed a contract, and it's just so cute. I would take a little slime plushie, but no, I don't want it as a plushie. I want it as like I want it to actually feel like how it's supposed to feel, like cool and like jelly like. I want it to be like that, like an ice pack that is gel form and has the tiny eyes and it has a cute little heart, and I think that would be so cool. It would be one of those things that like kids can't get to because like you puncture it and it just boom just explodes. But I would just love to have that like just like a small one like this big. Anybody out there, just I'll just set it on my desk and it would be so cute. What am I doing? Truly I don't have too much to say. Everybody was just eating sweets, fishing, learning how to cook new things, enjoying the family getting bigger, the familiars getting a +1, meeting goddesses. That being said, I don't feel like it was too much substance. It was enjoyable, of course. Just because I don't give it the highest rating doesn't mean it's not enjoyable. I love this anime very much. But it is going to be like a 7. To be nice, 7.1 out of 10 on Pons. I hope for a big adventure next episode, which I feel like Fenrir is taking Makuta to. Hmm. And maybe seeing an evolution from our cute little Sui. Do you think Sui is a girl, a boy? Just them? Like they, them, like they don't have a gender? Probably not because they're slime and it, yeah. Oh well. Anyway, what are your thoughts? What did you think of the episode? What would you rate it? How does it compare to other episodes, like other previous episodes for you? And what do you think about where do you think Fenrir is taking him? Is it about to be like the goblins all over again? Hopefully not. That was truly traumatizing for him. But who knows? Okay, that's it. Enough rambling. Although I think I did a better job than I usually do. But there I go talking some more. So please like, share, subscribe because I love having you here and I'd love to see more of you. I will see you all in whatever you choose to watch for me next. Love, Jasmines, and Bunnies.